I am recording this video on Veterans Day, so happy Veterans Day to everyone. And to all who served, thank you. Today, I'm talking about Disney and the huge news that they have just dropped to honor our military. And it's a brand new ticket that goes into effect in 2026. So if you are a service member or a veteran, grab your pen because this is the right recipe for travel at Walt Disney World. This new program is called the Disney Celebrates America Military Ticket, and it starts on January 1st of 2026. This is replacing the old Armed Forces Salute program, and it's a game changer. So let me tell you about who is eligible for this ticket. This benefit is available to active duty and retired U.S. military members. So this includes active and retired U.S. military personnel, members of the National Guard and Reserves, the U.S. Coast Guard, the U.S. Space Force, the Commissioned Corps of the Public Health Service, PHS, and the Commissioned Corps of the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA. Spouses of eligible military service members also qualify if they can present valid and active U.S. military IDs. Let me talk to you about the ticket options and the price breakdown, because of course that's what we want to know. Here are your options. This ticket is sold in tiers. You can choose from 3-day, 4-day, 5-day, or even 6-day tickets. And the pricing is incredible. While exact 2026 pricing is subject to change, here is the current projected price range. With the Park Hopper option, $499 plus tax. With the Park Hopper Plus option, $529 plus tax for a 6-day Disney Military Salute ticket. With the Park Hopper option, $449 plus tax. With the Park Hopper Plus option, $479 plus tax. For the 5-day Disney Military Salute ticket. With the Park Hopper option, $529 plus tax. With the Park Hopper Plus option, $459 plus tax. The 4-day Disney Military Salute ticket. With the Park Hopper option, $409 plus tax. With the Park Hopper Plus option, $439 plus tax. As you can see, these prices remain a phenomenal value, typically 50% or more off the standard gate price advertised at Disney. Now, I do want you to remember that you are limited on these tickets. You have a maximum of 6 tickets per eligible service member that you're able to purchase. There are some magical add-ons that you can put with this ticket. Just like the old program, you can enhance your ticket. You absolutely can upgrade, as I mentioned, to the Park Hopper option, which that allows you to jump between all 4 of the Walt Disney World parks in one day. Or you can upgrade to the Park Hopper option Plus. Yes, you can even add this. This gives you the same access of Park Hopper plus access to the water parks. So that's Typhoon Lagoon and Blizzard Beach. You can also go to the ESPN Wide World of Sports Complex. Let me tell you about the Memory Maker option that's available. This is the package to get all of those priceless photo passes. You can add this for just $98. So where do you get these golden tickets? Well, there are 2 main places that you can purchase these military tickets. The most common place is your local base's ITT office. That's the Information, Tickets, and Travel Office. You can, of course, also purchase these tickets at the Disney Gate. You can buy them directly there. But I do give you the caution that buying them at ITT is usually the best price because your pre-purchase rate does not include any taxes if you get them at the ITT office. You need to note that the eligible service member must be present with that valid military ID at the park gate on the first day to activate those tickets. and the military spouse can be there as well. Now, the Disney Celebrate America Military Salute tickets, they are valid for visits January 1st of 2026 through December 18th of 2026. All the ticket types require an advance park reservation, and they are subject to some blockout dates for next year. Those blockout dates are March 29th through April 11th of 2026, as well as November 22nd through November 28th of 2026. Now, these tickets and options do expire, and they may not be used after December 18th of 2026. This new Disney Celebrates America military ticket is Disney's way of saying thank you, and it provides an amazing opportunity for military families to experience the magic in 2026. This is the best deal in travel. So if you or your family are using this ticket, let me know which park you're hitting first. Thank you so much for joining us again, and thank you to all of our veterans. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this information. I thank you again for joining us, and we will catch you at the next adventure.